Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome. I am so glad that you're here with me as we talk about everything entrepreneurship, making money, starting business, creating wealth. We're gonna do everything that we could possibly talk about. Now, if you've been watching me on the last two videos, I was talking about being an entrepreneur, what happens, as an entrepreneur. I also talked about going into real estate. If you're interested in real estate, and I talked about the types of real estate. Now, I was going to talk about managing, how do you manage when you get into real estate, but I just wanted to talk about something really quick before we go there, and I'll probably do that on the next video. But this video I wanted to talk about is your path to success. So, because if you're going to do entrepreneur business, and if you're going to go into this world of being an entrepreneur, there's certain things that you're gonna have to do to make it successful, because it involves starting the business and doing certain things, and it's the way that you're going to start it that's going to keep you successful. And I wanted to talk about this because it has a lot to do. Like, I'm a serial entrepreneur, and I told you guys that I'm a serial entrepreneur. I've done over 15 types of business. I'm going to talk about those different things that I've done. But what I want to talk about is how did I get to that level? What made me get to that level and do that? Well, it had a lot to do with my mindset. So your mindset, you have to be ready to want to work for someone outside, and I won't say work for someone, run a company that involves your being the CEO or the leader of, that you have started and created, and now you've hired various people, or is you CEO and you're by yourself running the company or the business, right? Or you are owning the building and you're renting it out to other people. All that still involves the types of entrepreneur, but the issue is, in order to take that path to success, you have to have a great relationship with the business. You have to love what you do. And in the link in the description below, you will find how I talk about the relationship you must have with your business. And it's so important that you understand what that is all about. I travel speaking, talking about how you have a relationship with your business, which is very important. If you're not having a relationship with your business, you're going to have challenges that causes the tumble with it in order for it to stay successful. You have to shift to being about business. That means even though you became an entrepreneur, you have to shift the way you see business. If you're still focusing on business being the same just because you went from being a worker or an employee and now to owning, you still have to know how to take that and make it a business just as you were when you was working for someone. It's a shift. You got to stop looking at what others do, because your business is separate from them. Your business has nothing to do with anyone else. You are a separate business. You have to focus on your self motivation to keep it elevated and keep it successful. You have to stop comparing your business to someone else's business, because you are the individual that saw the vision and that wanted to start and cultivate and create. So you have to stop comparing yourself to others. Their talent is not your talent. What you bring is not what they bring. So stop spending your energy on what someone else is doing and spend your energy on operating your business and making it successful. You got to remove those fears when it comes to making this business successful, because you so busy focusing on somebody else that you create that jealousy and that fear, and you don't put yourself out more on your business. You see? So I wanted to really talk about this, because if you don't make that shift in your mindset, you're going to cause that path to success to be stalled. And our goal in this is to keep you moving, keep it successful. Keep it growing and keep your energy on learning how to make it a business. Okay? So I just wanted to kind of have that talk real quick to get you to understand that the path to business success has a lot to do with your mindset. Mindset meaning you're being ready to give it time and to be able to successfully find the funds to keep that business growing and becoming great and offering, you know, things to others to enjoy your type of business. Okay? So you've been with Dr. Pamela White Smith. Thank you for joining me as I did I wanted to give you a great pep talk on keeping yourself on the path of success. How about that? So thank you for joining me. I'll be back, and I'll be back talking about all things business, entrepreneur, growing, and becoming successful in your business. Okay? I will see you soon. Take care.